We're going to start with our object, spacebar, add, and let's find where the armature is, okay? So move it, position it somewhere inside of our object where the root bone should be. Hit tab to get into edit mode. Select your bone, hit N to come here. Rename it, it's a root. Then select the tip of it, move it. Then E, come here, that will be our spine. Then again select the tip. Let's just check how everything looks here, good. And here, good. E, extrude, that's the chest. E, extrude, that's the shoulder. Now that shoulder will be left, so shoulder dot L. And E, come here, move it there. Upper arm dot L. Hit E. Lower arm dot L. And hit E. That will be hand dot L. Okay, now we have to deal with the root and make it to make a leg, but we need everything, all the skeleton, to be under the root. If we check here and go into the outliner, there is our armature, there is our root, and so far everything is under the root, and we want to do that way. So to do that, let's go 3D view, and I'm gonna select this, Shift S, cursor to selection, then come back here, hit E, and then we're gonna do Shift S, selection to the cursor, and that will snap it there. And then E, come here, and that will be our hip dot L. And let's come here, maybe move it a little bit, somewhere like there, okay? And E, drag it, to there, and that's that. And that will be my upper leg dot what? L, right? Left. And extrude, come here, right? And lower leg dot L. Then zoom here. E. Okay, that will be my foot dot L. And let's check how it looks like in a top view. Up, where it is. Here we go. And something like that. And then again, extrude, come here, and that will be my toes dot L. And move it again to be something like that. Let's view front. Okay, and let's finish the neck and the head. So E, extrude. Let's see how it looks like here. Okay, not bad. And E, extrude, that's head. So this one is neck. And that one is head. Okay, so now we can even select this one and hide it for a moment, or we can select the skeleton, hit M, bring it into other layer. Okay, let's move to our layer 2. So that's what we have. Hit back to be in edit mode. Now we want to select all of left side. So everything that makes left side, and that includes these two bones. Right, I think we did, right? Everything is selected. So you front. Okay, so now we're gonna do Shift D, just click and let it stay. And then we're gonna do mirror, X global, and then we're gonna grab it, and so GX, I believe, right? And zoom it. Let's see if we position it correctly. Okay, like that. I think that's it. Now the next thing, armature, and flip left to right names. So that's that. So that now we have the skeleton. Hit A. Let's go tab to the object. Let's find our armature. Shift to select. Now first select the mesh, the material, and then Shift right click to the armature, Control P, make parent to armature, and create from envelopes. Okay, so that's that's the skinning, the first step. So we build the armature and we do the skinning. Now we go into that very painful process where we have to check the mesh, go into the edit mode, right, and check every vertex group if belongs, if it's assigned to appropriate bone. So that's our next step.